Earth. Earth is the biggest rocky planet, or the biggest terrestrial planet out of the four. Venus size, radius, and mass is similar to Earth. And Venus is closer to Earth than Mars, okay? No worries. No worries. So that's what I mean. It's going to take longer to get to Mars than to Venus. So I wish that Venus was more habitable and did not have a poisonous atmosphere, or otherwise Venus is the obvious choice. But then again, we can talk about Venus the next time. Again, we have talked about Venus in the past here. But Venus does have other issues too, though. Venus is very hot. Very hot. You know? Very hot indeed. Closer to the sun, more hot. Has the poisonous atmosphere, very thick poisonous atmosphere, you know. Thank you so much everybody for being here. Please do like the live. Can you double tap the screen and like the live? I asked my parents if I could do a super chat, but they said you would have to pay for it and I'm kind of broke. Aw, that's okay. Thank you, honey. Don't listen to him. I'm the real one. Seriously? Because of your username, my Google thinks I'm talking to him. I have a man Google. Yarnaby. Hello. Hi, Yarnaby. Hi, Yarnaby. How are you doing? Mohit says, oh yes, sorry, no worries. I asked my parents. I'm happy here. Earth is my home, yeah. Ooh, you know what you could do? Adventures of Austin, I'll make you a mod. How about that? You've done well. You have been asking a lot of good questions, so I'll make you a mod. Do you want to be a mod? Adventures? Yay. Yay. Yarnaby says I'm doing good. Very nice, Yarnaby. Adventure says sure. Aw. Getting that promotion. Adventures of Austin asked a lot of good questions, so you're gonna get the promotion. Adventures. I'm gonna make you a standard moderator. There you go. Now when Adventures of Austin comments, it's gonna look blue. Because Adventures of Austin is a mod. And so he or she or they get a special blue icon. Yay. Getting that promotion, yes. Nice seeing you. Bye, Mohit. Nice to see you too. Please do come back. Like, share, subscribe. Can you please tap the screen before you go, and can we get 20 likes? Can we? Can we get 20 likes? What's the coolest fact about Mars you've read so far? I actually really love, like more than I thought I would, I love the tilt of Mars. I love that the orbital axis tilt is 25 degrees, which is similar to ours, 23.5, which means that Mars will have similar seasons. Of course, much colder, but still, I like that to be sort of relatable. Like a lot of the planets are quite different than Earth, you know, like there's some crazy things happening. Like we'll talk about Venus more next time. But Venus's freaking orbit and rotation and everything is so different. So like I love Venus. I'm a Libra, as astrologically speaking, ruled by Venus. So I like Venus. That's my favorite planet. but gosh, is its like orbit and rotation and speed